Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Super Mario 64 on your PC with an Xbox controller. First, you'll need to get an emulator. Popular choices include Project 64 or Mupen 64 Plus. Download and install one of these, ensuring your computer meets the system requirements. Next, you'll need the Super Mario 64 game file, often called a ROM. Make sure to acquire this from a reputable source to begin your adventure. Now that your emulator is ready, let's connect your Xbox controller. You can use a standard USB cable or a wireless adapter for a seamless connection. Once plugged in, confirm that your computer's operating system recognizes the controller. Then, open your emulator's settings and navigate to the controller configuration menu. Here, you will select your Xbox controller as the main input device, preparing it for gameplay. With your controller connected, it's time to map the controls for Super Mario 64. Assign the Nintendo 64's joystick to your Xbox controller's left analog stick for movement. The A button should be for jumping, and the B button for punching or diving. For camera control, map the C buttons to your right analog stick or other available face buttons. Finally, set the Z trigger to your left trigger for ground pounds and crouching. You're almost ready to play. Load the Super Mario 64 ROM file directly into your emulator. Before diving in, take a moment to fine-tune your video and audio settings for the best possible experience. You might even explore community-made texture packs or widescreen hacks to modernize the visuals. Remember to save your game frequently, especially after collecting one of the game's 120 stars, to ensure your progress is always secure. Enjoy your adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.